In today's episode of the Impact Podcast with Taiwo Balogun, I'm going to walk you through the 10 top businesses that will make you money in millions in Nigeria. But before we delve or get into that, let me ask you these simple questions. Have you ever dreamed of financial freedom or living life on your own terms without the constraints of 9-to-5 job? If so, stick around to the end of this video because I'm about to share with you some life-changing insight that could turn your dreams into reality. So, without further ado, the number one top business that will make you millions in Nigeria is agriculture. Agriculture. Do you know that Nigeria's vast arable land and favorable climate make it perfect environment for various agricultural business opportunities? I mean, from crop farming to livestock rearing, the opportunities are massive and endless. Can you imagine owning your own farm in this dispensation? I mean, the dispensation of Emilokon, meaning the dispensation of our president Tinubu. Can you imagine owning a farm in this dispensation, cultivating crops like cassava, maize, or raising livestock and supplying the ever-growing demand for food, both locally and internationally? You're going to be in cool money, I mean cool cash, but you need the right knowledge. Yes, with the right knowledge and resources, agriculture can be a lucrative business that not only generates substantial profit but also contributes to food security and economic development. I know what I'm telling you, but I need you to consider this business opportunity now by doing your own due diligence before you invest into agriculture. I know what I'm talking about. I have series of experiences in agribusiness. Yes, I remember my first investment in agriculture with a friend of mine. But if I tell you what came out of it, because we fell into the wrong hands. So please do extensive research before you start any agribusiness in Nigeria, because yes, you will meet some people. Yes, one of the mistakes that a lot of people used to do is they practice absentee farming. Please do not practice absentee farming. You may want to ask, what do you mean, Taiwo? What do you mean by absentee farmers? These are people that will go and get land, plow the land, and plant something and give the farm to someone to manage the farm without monitoring what is happening there. And at the end of the day, guess what will happen? So please make your research and make sure that you don't part with your money if you are not going to be available monitoring your farming or agricultural business. The number two top business that will make you money in millions in Nigeria is real estate. Real estate is a sector that continues to thrive despite economic fluctuations. With our rapidly growing population coupled with urbanization trends, it creates a constant demand for housing, commercial spaces, and infrastructure development. So, investing in real estate, whether it's buying, selling, flipping, or leasing properties, and yield substantial returns on investment. I am super sure of what I'm telling you. From residential apartments to office buildings to shopping malls, the real estate market offers diverse opportunities for wealth creation. I mean what? Wealth creation. But this is the warning. As profitable as the real estate business is, there is need for you to be a very prudent investor to break through in this sector, because there are a lot of challenges attached to this business, especially in Nigeria. But if it is in the United States, in fact, you can invest in real estate from the comfort of your office in Nigeria. I mean, from the comfort of your base in Nigeria or wherever you are located across nations of the world. So please make sure you understand how the real estate business works in Nigeria before you invest in it. But it is one of the top businesses that will make you money in millions, even in billions. And when I say in millions in Nigeria, don't forget that Nigeria economy is now dollarized. So you can make money both in naira and in dollars in all these businesses that I'm sharing with you. So let us look at the number 3 top business that will make you money in millions in Nigeria. In fact, it will keep on making you millions if you know what you are doing. The number 3 top business is technology. Did you hear that? In today's digital age, technology is a catalyst for innovation and progress. And Nigeria's tech ecosystem is flourishing with startups and entrepreneurs who are pioneering groundbreaking solutions across various industries. There are lots of groundbreaking solutions across various industries, from fintech to e-commerce to software development and artificial intelligence, even in the health sector, transportation, name it. The tech sector presents endless possibilities for entrepreneurial success. Hello, are you still with me? Yes, I am sure. I know we are still together. Yes, can you see yourself creating the next big app or software, launching a revolutionary e-commerce platform, or developing cutting-edge AI-driven software that transforms industries? Yes. The sky is the limit when it comes to technology-driven businesses in Nigeria and in Africa at large. This is a huge opportunity for you out there if you know what it takes to take over the tech industry in Nigeria. Guess what? The number 4 business that can make you millions upon millions is the entertainment and media business. Oh, wow. The entertainment and media industry is a vibrant and dynamic sector that captivates audiences and shapes culture. Nigeria's thriving entertainment scenes, encompassing music, film, fashion, and digital media, which is also known as the creative industry, presents abundant opportunities for entrepreneurial success. Whether it is producing blockbuster movies like Funke Akindele, or organizing music festivals, or launching a digital content platform, you can leverage our creative talents and cultural diversity to create compelling experiences and content. And by so doing, you can imagine entertaining millions of people, inspiring creativity, and leaving a lasting legacy in the world of entertainment and the media. Guess what? Do you know the millions of naira and dollars in this industry? This is the best time to tap into the media, the entertainment and media industry by harnessing the power of storytelling and creativity. In fact, smart investors and entrepreneurs can build successful businesses that entertain, inform, and inspire audiences across the globe. Are you still with me? The number 5 top business that will make you money in millions will blow your mind. Guess what? It is the education and training business. Wow. This is one of my favorites. Education is the key to unlocking human potential and driving societal progress. In fact, in Nigeria, the demand for quality education and training services continues to grow massively, creating opportunities for entrepreneurs and investors to innovate and excel. Whether you're starting a standard private school, or you're offering vocational training programs, or launching online training platforms, the education sector in Nigeria offers diverse avenues for smart business owners and investors to make a meaningful impact. I mean, meaningful impact. You can imagine empowering the next generation with knowledge and skills that prepare them for success in an ever-changing world. In fact, by investing in education, you can shape the future and reap the significant rewards of investment. Wow! I hope I can conclude this episode, but because I don't want this video to be too long for you to consume, I'd like to pause here and continue in the next episode. But if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button now and activate the bell button so that you will be notified when we upload the next episode, where I will be sharing with you the next 5 top businesses that will make you money in millions in Nigeria without breaking the bank. If you also got value from this episode, kindly like and share this video with someone that can also benefit from this episode now. Till I see you in the next episode of the Impact Podcast with Taiwo Balogun, keep on investing and impacting. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.